Hello my dear students, this is the continuation of miscellaneous problem set 1. Today we are going in the previous video we have done till question number 12. Now question number 13. Find the measures of the complementary angles of the following angle. AD. Let the complementary of the given angle of A degree be x degree. Complementary angle is always 90 degree and supplementary angle is always 180 degree. Always remember. Then A plus x, why A we have to take plus x we have taken of A degree equal to 90. Why 90 degree? Because complementary 90 degree. So A plus x minus A we will subtract A from both the sides. So x equal to 90 minus A. So the complementary angle of A degree is 90 minus A degree. In the same way 40 minus x degree. Let the complementary of the given angle of 40 minus x degree be y degree. Then 40 minus x plus y equal to 90. Why 90? Complementary angle 90. 40x minus x plus y minus 40 minus x means subtracting 40 minus x from both the sides. So y, this will be cut, y equal to 90 minus 40 minus x. 90 minus 40 is 50. So we got the answer y equal to 50 plus x. We got. Okay. Question number 14. Find the measure of supplements of the following angles. Supplementary 111 degree. So let the supplementary of the given angle be 111 be x degree. Then supplementary angle is always 180. So 180. 111 plus x equal to 180 minus subtracting 111 from both the sides. So x equal to 180 minus 111 69. We got the supplementary angle of 111 degree is 69 degree. Now question number 15. Question number 15. Construct the following figures. Third, I have done third sum. A pair of adjacent complementary angle. See, adjacent complementary angle I have drawn for here. One is we have to draw first 90 degree angle, then divide, put a line 35 degree and 55. These are adjacent angle. And how complementary? Because 55 degree plus 35 is 90. Okay, 90 degree. So angle ABC and angle CBD is a adjacent angle which are complementary also. Okay. Question number 16. In triangle PQ, the measure of angle P and Q are equal and measured angle PRQ equal to 70 degree. Find the measures of the following angles. Measure angle PRT, angle P and angle Q. Here triangle PQ, measure of angle P and Q are same, are equal. So the drawing is already given. So we have to find out PRQ, PRT. So first we will write PQR. PRQ is we have given. We have to find out PRT. 80 degree. These are in linear pairs. So we will write 80 degree. 180 degree. 70 degree plus measure angle PRT equal to 180. So measure angle PRT equal to 180 minus 70. We got the answer. PRT is 110. PRT is 110 degree. Now we have to find out angle P and angle Q. So measure angle PRT equal to angle P plus angle Q by the remote interior angle property. Which property? Remote interior. What is the remote interior angle property? Angle P equal to angle Q equal to x degree. So they both are same. So x degree means measure angle PRT equal to angle P plus Q. 110 is PRT and angle P we have taken x degree and angle Q is equal to, they both are same. So we will write x plus x means 2x equal to 2 equal to 110. We will divide it. So we got the answer 55 degree. So our x is 55 degree means our angle P is 55 degree and angle Q is also 55 degree. Okay, see, measure angle P equal to 55 degree and measure angle Q equal to 55 degree. Now question number 17, simplify. 5 4 into 5 cube, 5 4 plus 3. This is the formula. am into an equal to am plus n, means 4 plus 3 is 7, 5 7. Same way, question number 4, 4 upon 5 square divided by 5 upon 4. So we have square here, 4 upon 5. The same question we will in division we can, if we do multiplication, it will become inverse. The 4 will go up and 5 will come down. See here. So 4 upon 5 plus 2 plus 1. Why 1? Because here nothing is there, so 1. We will take 1. We got the answer, 4 upon 5 cube. See. Question number 18. Find the value. 10 minus 3. If 10 minus 3, so we will take 1, and if it comes down, the answer will become positive. See here, a minus m, this is the formula. These are the formulas. A minus m, a 1 upon am. So in the same way, 1, 10 into 10 into 3, 3 times we have to write 10 into 10 into 10, means we got the answer 1 upon 1000. Same way, 4 6 into 4 minus 4 means 4 6. This will take, the 4 are both same, so plus, and this is sign minus 4. So plus minus minus, 6 minus 4 2. We got the answer 2. So 4 into 4, 4 4s are 16. We got answer. One answer is 16. Question number 19, solve. 11m minus 12n plus 3p minus 9m plus 7n minus 8p. So we will write the first questions. First we will written the question. Now we will take the same variables. 11m minus 9m. This minus will come here. Minus 12n plus minus minus 7n plus 3p minus minus plus 8p. We got 11 minus 9m, 2m minus minus plus 12 plus 7, 19, and 12 sign is bigger, so minus, and 8 plus 3, 11. Understood? Question number 20, last question. Solve the following equation. 3y plus 4 equal to 5y minus 6. Same question. Transporting both the side, both will go in different way, so 5y minus 6. Adding 6 from both the side, plus 6 minus 6, so only 5 will come. 3y as it is, 4 plus 6 10. So now 3y subtracted 3 from both the side, so 3y will come here also. See here, 3y. 5 minus 3, 2y equal to 10. Dividing both sides by 2, 2 5s are 10. We got the answer, y equal to 5. So now we have to remember some points. The measure of an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the measure of its remote interior angles. If the sum of the measure of two angles is 90 degree, the angles are said to be complementary angles. Sum of the measure of two angles is 180 degree, they are said to be supplementary angles. Now these are the formulas which we have done in question number 17, 18. Okay, am into an equal to a m plus n, am divided by an equal to a m minus n, a1 equal to a minus m, 1 upon am, ab m equal to am into bm, ab minus m, ba m. When the number is, when here 1 minus 2 is given, so we have to write, while taking 1, we will write here 1, the number will become positive when it is upon. Okay, my dear students, am bracket n equal to a m n. Rest you have to solve the miscellaneous problem set, remaining questions. Okay.